Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Candice, and if you are a returning subscriber, then hello! Before I start, I want to show you my plant. If you're Chinese, you probably already know the saying 种草. It basically means like a hydro seeding. I try to find an English version, but in Chinese slang, it basically means that the internet makes you buy things that you wouldn't normally buy. It gives you this desire, and that is very true with today's product. So I thought I'd take this out and put it on my hand. I'm like super out of frame just to show you guys this plant on my head. So I'm gonna take it off, or maybe not take it off. I'm gonna put you guys closer so you can see my face. So today's star product is the LA Girl Pro Color Foundation Mixing Pigment. They actually have 4 different shades, and I've only gotten this just to test it out. I don't want to break my bank. So this foundation mixing pigment is for color correcting and to customize your foundation. You will have endless possibilities of creating new foundation shades, color matching, and color correcting. There's white, yellow, orange, and blue. White is to customize foundation by lightening your shade, perfect for seasonal changes. We don't need that in Malaysia. Yellow shifts foundation shade to a golden undertone, perfect for foundation that are too pink or neutral. Orange shifts foundation shade to a warmer undertone, perfect for foundation that are too golden or cool. And blue shifts foundation shade to a neutral undertone, perfect for foundation that are too warm. Use any of our recently expanded shade range of Pro Matte foundation to mix and customize. Okay, that's just ad. I've never tried that foundation personally. I probably will. It depends on how well this product goes. Honestly, I don't even know why I picked up the blue, because I really need the yellow or the orange more, because most of my foundation is actually too light for me, and I was trying to dig for a foundation that's too warm and too deep for me, and I realized I don't really have any. I only found one, and this happened to be my top 3 foundation easily. This is one of my favorite Shiseido's foundation. This is their Synchro Skin Self-Refreshing Foundation Oil Free. This is in the color 330 Bamboo, and it's a little too deep for me. I still wear it for like my Instagram kind of makeup, like my one eye makeup. You can't really tell, and I wanted something that's warmer and more saturated. So I wear this a lot for my Instagram one eye creative makeup look. I'm gonna go ahead and use this on one side of my face so you can actually see the difference in shade, in terms of undertone and shade. This, honestly, this foundation is freaking amazing, but look how deep it is. It's way too deep for me, but I really like it though. So this is how deep it looks on my skin, but the coverage and the texture, I wasn't gonna do full face. I'm still not, but I figured just for foundation's sake, just with foundation, I'm gonna do full face for my thumbnail. Look, I just covered the whole pimple, gone. But look at how beautiful this foundation look. And I literally did it in like 30 seconds to 1 minute. I didn't use any primer, I didn't prep my skin, I just slapped it on and it looks amazing. My pore is gone and it covers the acne, all of the redness. To be honest, throughout the day it wears very beautifully as well. So moving on to the star product, I can't really smell it, but for testing purpose, there is definitely fragrance inside. It smells like soap. It smells like hand soap to me. But the packaging is nice though. It is made out of glass, so it's very heavy. And the cap obviously is just like a plastic cap, and it got like a pump head. I don't know how well this pump head works yet. Looking at the ingredient too, the first ingredient is water and the second one is dimethicone. That means there's silicone inside, so it should make your foundation look very flawless. And yes, there is fragrance. It just says perfume and fragrance. Anyhow, let's try. actually have no idea how much blue I'm supposed to use. So let's just put it on here. Please ignore that. That's from my last makeup look. Just gonna put it on so you can see. Okay, it's not coming out. Oh, there you go. 2 palms, and this is how it looks like. It's actually pretty runny. Like, oh, it's actually pretty runny, guys. You know, it's really running down. I think I'm gonna mix it here. And 2 palm is probably too much, so I'm gonna wipe off maybe like half. I left about this much on my plate, my heart shape. I don't even know, what do you call this thing? It's like, you know, you put it on your hand. I do makeup like this. What do you call this? A ring? A heart-shaped ring plate? A heart plate ring? A heart ring? I'm just gonna put the foundation on and look. I'm gonna use a concealer brush. It looks so cool. I'm gonna do a pump on the side just so you can see the color. This is the original color, and this is the one that's mixed with the blue pigment. You can definitely see the difference in the undertone. This is so much more neutral and like it's leaning into like a green and gray-ish kind of color. My undertone, however, is more like peachy. I'm like neutral peachy. I'm not warm and I'm not cool. We're gonna try how well this works because it's looking too green for me. Oh well, it's for science, right? I'm gonna cover this pimple because oh my goodness. Yeah. This probably means that I use way too much green. So I'm going to mix a little bit of this to that instead to see if I can get the right shade. I feel like a painter. This reminds me of my days when I used to paint. I used to love playing with acrylic. I haven't done that in a while. Now I just paint on my face. I'm gonna try the second time. This is much better. So this is how it looks like. This is the original foundation shade. This is 2:1, 2 foundation, 2-part foundation, 1 part blue pigment, and this is 1:1. So I think it works. It definitely works, but it also takes some experiment. You have to mix your own shade, and you have to mix quite a lot of it at the same time, I suppose, for the whole entire face, or else you're gonna have like patches of different foundation shade. I'm gonna wipe them off and I'm gonna try the middle shade for my other half of the face and see how it looks. Let's do a swatch. That's alright. I'm using my KVD brush. I really like this brush for foundation. Is there a different? Oh, there definitely is different. Look at the pimple. Just look at it gone. Look, watch. Gone. Wow, this is insane. Like for me, looking at the viewfinder, I can really see that it's warm on this side and it's neutral on this side. This is so cool. And because of their ingredient that have like, you know, silicone, it looks better on this side. It's more flawless. And you can see that this area, this is less, there's less texture here. Okay, LA girl, I see you. I definitely see you. I need to get my hands on the other shades because now I'm very curious on what I can mix with, because I feel like this, it does look neutral. It does make it look better, but I can probably mix with a little bit of white as well to make it lighter. However, unfortunately, I am not going to do a wear test this time. I am super tired, if you can tell. I'm filming this at like freaking, I think it's 11 now. It's 12. I'm filming this at 12 and I just work the whole day today. I am super dead. Now, will I recommend this? 100%, 200% yes and yes. I am so happy with this product. I think it's amazing. It not only works, but it also make my foundation look even more flawless. So I'm very happy and pumped. I like art in general, so I like the idea of being able to mix my own foundation that's perfect for my skin. If you look at my foundation, I literally have all sort of colors, so it's definitely perfect for someone like me. I need these kind of things, and I have to say thank you TikTok and Rose and Ben for making this product known and making this product go viral. This is definitely one of the viral products that I think it's, you know, legit, it's worth the money. So I'm going to wrap this up and I'm going to take this off and I'm going to go to bed. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of these viral products and dupes, I've got a lot sitting on my dresser like there, and I'll be posting next week. So subscribe if you want to watch, if you don't want to miss any video. And if you want to see creative makeup, I do them on Instagram. I post them, there's tutorials and stuff if that's your jam. Meanwhile, take care, stay safe. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!